What's up? What's going on, everybody? It's J.A. You know how we get down on this channel. We're covering the latest Yeezy news, updates, plus we got an early unboxing. I know y'all love it. So if you want to support this channel, all you got to do is hit the thumbs up right underneath the video. Also, I want to give a big salute to my man, Visions Lord. The new collection, this new 15 Visions collection, it goes crazy, bro. I want to compare the piece I'm wearing right now in terms of quality, same quality as the Yeezy Balenciaga DMX collab. That's exactly what this tee reminds me of. So if you guys are interested in checking out anything from the collection, I believe today is the last day it will be available. So check out 15 Visions on IG. And coming up this Friday, if you guys have been sleeping, we got a huge Yeezy release. It's a re-release, of course. You know, we're used to the re-releases by now. We had several for Yeezy Day. It seems like Adidas saved this one for the end of the month. So the first release after Yeezy Day will be the 700 V2 Vanta. Of course, it's coming in that beautiful Vanta black colorway. When these joints first dropped back in 2019, y'all wasn't feeling them, yo. People was calling them bricks, all that, you know, all that hype beast lingo, all that. But it's cool, you know, now that Ye's been rocking them and them joints have grown on people over the years. Seems like y'all are hyped for these joints now. It shows right now you got the raffle live. They're gonna be dropping via Yeezy Supply. So check your Adidas confirmed app. Looks like we got a new updated retail. Instead of the $300 these originally went for, $260. No one's complaining, even though I feel like now Adidas could maybe even get that price point a little lower, but $260 is a good start nonetheless. So in terms of resale predictions, we do have to talk about that, just because if some people miss out on this limited release, the only other alternative is to hit the secondary market. And based on prices already a couple of days before the release, I would say these pairs are probably gonna hit from somewhere between $300 to maybe $350, depending on your size. And because there is that little marginal room of profit, unfortunately, the scalpers, the resellers, they will be going for these to make the quick little $5, $10 profit or whatever after fees. So unfortunately, they will be going for these. So if you happen to strike out on them, I feel like resale won't be too crazy, but then again, who's really paying resale for Yeezy in 2022 with all these restocks? So drop your resale predictions. Have you guys entered the raffle? And are you hyped for Friday's release of the Vanta? I'm thinking about doing a live stream for the release, so let me know what you guys think. Now, before Friday's release of the 700 V2 Vanta, be on the lookout for Adidas to do one of these stealth kind of mystery drops coming up on Thursday. So in select Adidas stores, you will have available to purchase the 380 Pepper as well as the 380 Mist. Adidas actually did this earlier this year with the release of the 380 Onyx as well as 380 Calcite Glow. These seem to be leftover pairs that kind of were just sitting around in the warehouse. Now, normally we're more familiar with Adidas doing exclusive access, in which you are randomly selected via the confirmed app. You get a 30-minute window, and then they have random different Yeezys to choose from, all leftover pairs, or sometimes even pairs that were returned by customers. So this will be available in select Adidas stores. So check your local stores. Of course, you got the Pepper as well as the 380 Mist. I'm not sure if they're gonna be doing an online drop. In the past, Adidas did drop, again, the 380 Calcite Glow as well as the 380 Onyx online. First come, first serve, but I really don't even feel like this is really the way to go, because I went and checked the aftermarket. The 380 Pepper as well as the 380 Mist are both two pairs of Yeezys that are going well under below the $230 retail price point. I believe I have the Mist somewhere back here, but I happen to have the Pepper pair just sitting around. So we'll take a quick look at this pair. I mean, the 380, some of the colors are hit or miss. The Pepper colorway isn't one of my favorite. I would say I like the Mist a little bit better than the Pepper, but It's a unique, interesting colorway. And then the biggest selling point though of the Yeezy 380 has to be its comfort. You know, comfort is elite. It's kind of got an elevated heel. You got this extra sock liner. I've never been the biggest fan of the 380, but they seem to have built some type of cult-like following, being is that basically every colorway that has released to date has, you know, went either under below retail or hovering just right above retail. So this is a great entry-level point Yeezy, based on the fact that there are so many leftover pairs and Adidas is dropping these in select stores. I really don't know who this market would be for, based on you can get these for a steal on the secondary market. I guess people that no longer trust StockX would probably go for these. They would probably rather purchase them officially from Adidas, or people in regions where, you know, the fees and all that through StockX make these too expensive and would rather just cop for retail directly from Adidas. So once again, check your local retailers. These should be available in store, but as I stated, you might as well cop these joints on the secondary market for a steal. So then of course, after the 700 V2 Vanta, after the madness of that release, Yeezy will be following up with a Yeezy slide drop coming up on Monday. So far, the 3 colorways that they typically release are unknown. Of course, we do know the new Flax pair will be releasing. Now, when I first heard they were dropping a Flax slide, I was guessing that they were gonna be similar to the colorway of the 350 Flax, which are more of like this yellowish kind of green hue going on, but it turns out the Flax slide is more of this copper brown color. So once again, we have another brown colored Yeezy slide. And I feel like there are so many different variations of a brown Yeezy slide. So more slides hit the market, it gives everybody a better chance to go ahead and be able to cop for retail, right? So I guess we shouldn't be really complaining. In terms of the other colorways releasing, I would assume that they would be dropping the Bone, which is the 2022 update, since those dropped for the last release. I don't think they would drop the Onyx for the 4th time, but who knows? My guess would be the 3rd colorway, possibly could be the Resin pair, which was rumored to be making a release again with the 2022 update. So let's check out these Flax joints. Not too hype on these. As I said, it's another shade of brown. It's actually got me a little more excited for that Azure blue pair, because at least with the Azure blue, you know, it's something different. It's just a single color, but at least the blue is out there and something different when it comes to the Yeezy slides. I would compare it to like maybe the orange pair, since those are so out there. But yeah, here you go, Flax. Got another brown Yeezy slide. So nothing too crazy. As I've stated in the past, I'm getting kind of tired of the Yeezy slide now. It's been out for like 2 years. I mean, for me, they're just everyday slides. So I get that some people haven't been able to cop for retail. So I always take everyone's, you know, opinion in close consideration. But just for me, where I'm at, I don't get too hyped, you know. I do this for a living. A brown Yeezy slide doesn't do too much for me. I want them to switch it up, yo. I want them to get crazy with it, but I'm happy that more of you guys will have a chance to cop. So I'm anticipating that with the release of this new Flax colorway, hopefully the Yeezy slides, based on the secondary aftermarket price, could possibly hit an all-time low. So that'll be great for all of us that, you know, have been striking out and can't cop. Hopefully this will help bottom out the resale price. So Yeezy Flax slide dropping on Monday. Curious to see what are the other 2 colorways releasing. Maybe they'll throw a curveball in there and give us something crazy, but I'm expecting this will be the only new colorway. I mean, if you want to even call these a new colorway, because to me, these joints look brown just like some of the other pairs. But anyways, I'll be dropping a full review on these. That way we can cover sizing and everything, because with Yeezy slides, sizing can be all over the place. So Yeezy Slide Flax, let me know your first opinion on these. Are you guys feeling like me and not too excited about the Yeezy Slide no longer, drop all of your feedback down below. So we're gonna wrap things up. Good luck to everybody on Friday for the event. I'm thinking about going live, so let me know if you guys want to see me go live. Salute y'all. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed. I'm out, y'all. Love.